just wanted to let you know I've been doing it for about 3 or 4 months now. And of course, I'm on the East Coast, so I tend to do the replays. But today I was able to get on. I'm blown away. I have hardly any SI joint pain anymore. I can stand. I'm just blown away. My pelvis is stronger. I thought I had to live with that the rest of my life. I tell everybody to do this, and no one wants to take the time, but I'll tell you, it's the answer. I went to a chiropractor, and he goes, fascia work is it. He says, but we can't get people to do it. I have so many different ones, the replays. I mean, I can't, I try to do one after you have one, then you have you do a surprise one. I'm like, well, I'm not home, so I'm not about. But I always try to do at least every day, and I just love it. And it's just working wonderful, and I will continue to do it. So thank you.
You just filled my heart. Thank you.
Yeah.
Perhaps you've noticed too, as you move into those later months, month 4, month 5, that's when the magic really sinks in, right?
Yep. I started noticing the first month, I still had pain. The second month was a little better. By the third month, I was kind of like, gee, I can stand in the kitchen and cook all day, and my back's not hurting me. I'm walking the dog 2 miles, 3 miles, where I was uncomfortable after a mile. I just figured I'd have to deal with the SI joint pain, and eating healthy helped with the inflammation. It's been 2 years now that I've been vegan, but I'm telling you, it's just amazing. I'm blown away, and I wish more people would do it, because it's the answer.
It's the answer. I know. Thank you for sharing that with me. That's just like lit me up. Thank you. I love it. I love it.
For those that are just starting out, keep doing it. You'll see the rewards.